Hello and welcome to another legal update by Legal Eye. I am Debolina Pannu. We are not an institution to sermonize society on morality and ethics. Bound by rule of law, Supreme Court, the court made the observations while granting premature release to a woman convicted of killing her children by poisoning following a spat with her paramour. The Supreme Court in case of Nagarathinam versus State through Inspector of Police reiterated that as a judicial institution, it is not meant to be lecturing society, but rather, it is bound by the rule of law while taking its decisions. A bench of Justices Ajay, Rastogi and Ahsanuddin Amanullah made the observation while granting premature release to a woman who was behind bars for 20 years after being convicted of killing her twin sons by poisoning them following a spat with her paramour. Further held, and I quote, "This court is not an institution to sermonize society on morality and ethics, and we say no further on this score, bound as we are by the brooding presence of the rule of law." That said, it cannot be simply bracketed as a cruel and brutal offence, as the appellant herself was trying to end her life but was prevented by her niece in the nick of time. The Tamil Nadu government had rejected her application for remission, contending that she had intended to continue her illicit relationship without any hindrance by committing a cruel and brutal act. The bench accordingly disposed of a Madras High Court verdict that had upheld the woman's conviction for murder, but removed the charges under attempted suicide. Her remission was recommended by the state-level committee, but the application had been rejected by the government. The apex court said that there was no valid ground for the state government to do so. We are not oblivious to the crime, but we are equally not oblivious to the fact that the appellant, mother, has already suffered at the cruel hands of fate. The reason thereof is an arena this court would avoid entering. The woman was accordingly directed to be released forthwith unless required in any other case. That is all for this update. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more legal updates.